For over 80 years, Hannay Reels has delivered unmatched craftsmanship and durability while serving as the leading manufacturer of hose and cable reels for both OEM and aftermarket applications. Hannay engineers reels for all aspects of industrial use, including air and water applications, welding, processing, electric, and more. Every reel we design is built to spec. That means features like dimensions, rewinds, positions, and roller options can be customized on each reel. Our reels are built with a heavy-duty design that stands up to repetitive use and corrosive environments. Hannay industrial reels are built to outlast the competition and save you money. With bolted-on components and conveniently located swivel joints, servicing our reels is quick and trouble-free. In industrial applications, Hannay Reels can help increase productivity by keeping hoses and cables organized and off the floor. This allows for a safer, more efficient workplace. Hannay offers exceptional customer service and a 3-year warranty, so you can rest assured knowing you're getting the right reel for your business. To see all of the reel solutions Hannay offers, head to hannay.com.